While this project is pretty much in its infancy, I thought even at the beginning it's probably a good idea to create a nav video for those people who are not familiar with the Kumu environment, which is probably just about everybody since the product was just released last Friday. So what we're attempting to develop is a systems thinking resource for the community of systems thinkers, and we're attempting to do this in a collaborative effort within Kumu itself. Now, admittedly, there is not much content at the moment, but this project's only been underway for a couple of days now. When you first come into it, you will see the entire Kumu model, and you have a number of predefined entry points that you can click and go to if you want to, though you may navigate the environment as you wish, so that you can move it around. You can go out to see the whole thing if you click on a particular element. It will focus on that element. If you click on another one, it will go ahead and expand the model so that you can sort of walk the tree and not get overwhelmed by everything. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in on any part of it. If you click on it, it will show you the profile page for that particular element. They contain textual descriptions and links to other places, and in time they will contain more and more videos. If you click on the background and hold it, it will show you the entire model. If you find a particular point in the model that looks interesting, you can double click near it and it will bring that point into view. If you double click again, it will take it back out. The same way, if you go to look at the entire model and double click, it'll bring that part into focus. If you only want to look at this part, click on it and hold it, and then it will go ahead and redraw all of those items that are directly connected to it. If you're looking for something in particular, you can go ahead and search for it. If I was looking for soft systems method, that happens to be first, but if I was looking for complex adaptive systems and I clicked on it and then hit enter, then it would go ahead and focus on that. Well, it would. Oh, that's because there were two of these. I guess I have to fix that. System WPI. All right. So there's should only be one of those. It will bring that into focus and show me where it is. It will highlight it, and then I can read it and move from there. There's also a filter capability so that you can filter. You can also develop more detailed searches based upon the element title, the description, and tags, though we haven't put any tags in it yet, but we'll get there. And there's also a way to say that you want to look at a particular portion of the model from a certain level outward, so that if I selected this element, I could come down here and say focus. No, that's cluster. I don't want cluster. I want focus. Focus, and say that I want 2 degrees out from that, so it'll show me that with 2 degrees that I can then go. And this navigation will make a lot more sense when there are several hundred elements in here. At the moment, if the display is sluggish, you can use the Q key for quality to go to a less overhead intensive display mode for the content, and Q will take you back. There's built-in help that will give you tell you about all the shortcut keys, give you an overview video, and here are some additional help files. So that's sort of an overview of how to get around. If you want to contribute directly to the development of this resource, go to kumu.io, sign up for a free account, and then email Gene Bellinger your Kumu username, and I will add you to the list of contributors for this project, and we'll see how this experiment develops. I think it has quite a potential to actually develop a real useful resource for the systems thinking community, though it's going to take some time and some effort. Personally, I go here every day and spend a few minutes and add something to it. And if a few dozen of us do that, I can only imagine where it ought to be in a year or so. So, hope you find this interesting. There's a link to this in the about section for the video in case you're wondering where it is. So, take care. See you in another video soon. Bye.